Hey yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel AvenueBoy Vlogs. Yeah, and as you've seen from the title, we're not doing a motovlog today. Instead, I am featuring a life of an agency nurse, specifically an endoscopy agency nurse. Right, so first things first, I'm gonna introduce myself. You already know me. My name's PJ and I work as an endoscopy nurse. So first things first, what is an agency nurse? To simplify things, being an agency nurse is definitely a second job apart from your permanent job, wherein you work for an agency that provides nurses to different hospitals. May it be ward nurses, may it be specialist nurses, theater nurses, and endoscopy nurses like me, to deal with staffing problems or to help with the lists that is going on that specific hospital. And by UK law, if you're working under a tier 2 working visa, you are capped to a maximum of 20 hours per week. So it means that you can only work an added extra of 20 hours per week. But during the pandemic, I think they have adjusted this one, so they have removed the cap of 20 hours just because a lot of people lost their jobs, a lot of people were furloughed, and I think by giving you more extra hours instead of the 20 hours, it is gonna help you pay with whatever you need to pay, like bills, child support, or sending money back home. Yeah, so that's it. So here are the most commonly asked questions when you're an agency nurse. How do you book your shift? So for other companies, they require you to install an app on your phone, and then by using that app you can provide your availabilities and at the same time book the shifts that you want. And for my company, we usually email them and give them our availabilities for the rest of the weeks or the month, and then they confirm back if we are booked for those shifts. So that's it. Second question is, will they pay for your transportation? Definitely for mine, they pay for my transportation, and in the past they have booked train tickets for me, and but this time they pay for my mileage, because I usually, on a normal day, on a normal sunny day, I usually use my bike, but since the weather forecast is not that good, I'm gonna be using my car, so they are gonna pay for that mileage, and I think we are paid 0.30 pence per mile. So you just multiply that one to how many miles is the hospital from your home. Alright, next question. Accommodation. So definitely they pay for accommodation. They usually ask you if you'll need 2 nights or just 1 night. So for these weekend, I've opted to go for 2 nights just because I don't want to wake up early on Saturday. And yeah, so I booked for Friday night and Saturday night. That's free. The agency will take care of that, and usually they also pay for your breakfast. Yeah, so guys, it is Friday today and I am gonna leave in a couple of hours, but before that I have to pack my bags, so let's go. Alright guys, we're packed. This is my bag. Small, but I'm going to bring my backpack as well. Right guys, we are ready to load our bags in the car. We've switched to the GoPro now because I haven't used it for vlogging for a long time. Anyway, another tip from me is make sure you bring your own food, well, enough food and water, just to help you save a little bit when you're out there, and just of course in cases of emergency, you have got something to eat and drink. So that's it guys, remember, bring your own food. Anyway, let's stop talking and let's go load the bags. So I'm gonna use the car today. Because, as I've said, weather forecast not that great, and yeah, I don't want to be drenched in rain, so I'm not using the bike today. So yeah, got our duty shoes and our bags. Also got earbuds here and some camping gear just in case we want to hang out on the beach. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna leave in a couple of minutes, guys, so I'll see you later. Right, guys, it's time to go. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, let us make our 1.5 hour trip down to Portsmouth. Hopefully it takes me just 1 hour. Yeah, anyway, already all set. It is quite hot in here. Oh, what's that? I need to top up some petrol first. Anyway, guys, yeah, there it is. I'm gonna be driving now, going to Portsmouth. Probably I'm gonna be arriving around 6, half 6, and we're gonna check into the hotel, and I'll see you guys later. Right, guys, bye. Guys, look at the traffic. My god, it is busy during Friday, so make sure you leave it around probably 6:30 or earlier than 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock, so that you don't get caught up in this rush hour. Alright?
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me.
Guys, think we're here. Yeah. Premier Inn North. Yeah, I think this is it. Right, guys, so we've reached Portsmouth, and it's almost 7 o'clock. Right, guys, we're now in Premier Inn. So entrance is over there. Let's just check in and let's get settled. It's already 7, so I've got dinner ready. Brought my dinner. So yeah, let's get checked in, guys. Right, guys, we have checked into the hotel. Right, there we are, finally. We're here and gonna get a good night's sleep and prepare our stuff for tomorrow. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's it. It's Friday evening now, and yeah, that's it for my trip going here to Portsmouth, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, here we are. Right, good morning, guys, and it's Saturday morning. It is our first day at work for the agency. I'm all ready, and it is currently 7:30 in the morning. It is cloudy outside, but hey, we're going to work, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, so guys, hospital policy, sometimes they don't allow you to wear your scrubs going to work, but I am allowed to because I bring my own scrubs. I wash them on my own, and I don't use the public transport, so yeah, I'm allowed to. Anyway, guys, we're gonna be on our way to work now. briefing starts at 8 a.m. So let's go. Let's do this and finish this day. We're at the hospital now. We're gonna go straight to the parking spaces here. Yes, park and park and park. Right. So, if you're wondering how much I pay for parking, it's around £10. That's 10 hours. So, the agency will also reimburse your parking tickets, guys. So, which is good because it's a bit expensive. We're on our way to the hospital now. This is gonna be the last part of my video today because I'm gonna be busy. So yeah, guys, I guess I'll see you later this afternoon. If the sun comes out, we'll go to the beach, right? Wish me luck, guys. Okay, guys, so it's time to go home. It's all quiet in here now. But yeah, it's been a long day, so yeah, I'm gonna go back to the hotel now. Okay? Alright guys, hello again. We're back here at the hotel, and yeah, it's the end of the shift. It's 6 o'clock now, so we finish at 5:30. Anyway, it's been a long day. It's been a nice day, no complaints about that. But yeah, so that's it. That's the end of the video. After this one, I'm just gonna be getting dinner for tonight, and then wake up again tomorrow to do the second day. And the only thing different from today is tomorrow I'm gonna go straight home. So yeah, that's the life of an agency nurse during the weekend. So you know, you leave prepare everything by Friday, leave Friday evening, and then check into the hotel, make sure you've got enough food and water, or you can go somewhere else and you can go around and buy your stuff here. That's also not a problem. But yeah, that's a summary of it. Summary of an agency nurse. And then I'm gonna be back to work on my permanent work on Monday. All right. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you like this video, just press the subscribe button down below and like this video. And that's it. See you guys on the next vlog.